Get
Yes,
a
this is how
free
you get the
4-month
free
Apple
4 months
Music subscription.
Apple subscription. Download this app, temp mail. Download this VPN. Make sure you're having a paid VPN. You can download this VPN. So you go back to the temp mail. Click on it. Copy this email. Copy. Go back to your browser. Put target.com on your browser. Target.com. Load it. After you have done loading it, come here. Create an account. The email you have copied, paste it there. Fill the first name, the last name. The mobile phone number is optional. You don't need to put it. Then you put a password. Use a good password. After that, you create an account. Then you join free. After you have joined free, it will bring you here. So you click there. You go to target circle. You click on target circle. It will bring you here. Then you click on partners. Then you scroll up. You see Apple Music free for 4 months. You click on it. It will bring you here. So you redeem now. You click on this redeem now. So it will probably take you to your Apple Music app. Then you will redeem the code. Simple. Then you start vibing to my playlist. Simple. That's how you can get a free 4-month Apple subscription. Thank you, everybody. You can drop a comment if you don't get it, so I'll put you through. Thank you.